The best dry erase boards that are eco-friendly. There are several tools and apps for taking notes. However, writing down your notes or ideas on a whiteboard can help you work efficiently. They are eco-friendly and effective, and the options for the best dry erase boards are endless. They are a quick and easy way to take notes and write down ideas and to-do lists. Moreover, they help visualize thought processes and have become an essential productivity tool for workers and students. If you are looking for a dry erase board, our list will guide you to the best one. Number 1. Best Non-Toxic Scribbledo Small Dry Erase Whiteboard. With a large blank writing surface, you can use this whiteboard for penmanship, spelling, mathematics, and more. Its single-sided design allows a smooth backing to hold it easily in hand or place it on the lap. Being lightweight, you can maneuver the board comfortably. It is made from high-quality masonite hardboard, ensuring long-lasting use. The large blank writing surface of each whiteboard gives students lots of room for writing, so it can be used for math, spelling, penmanship, and more. Made with lightweight but durable material which makes it easy for students to use in a classroom setting, great for interactive effective learning, or even for use in bed for studying purposes. This item is non-toxic, smooth edges, eco-friendly, and can wiped off quickly and easily. Number 2. Best Dry Erase Lockways Magnetic Dry Erase Board. Suitable for office and home requirements, this dry erase has a smooth, scratch-resistant premium surface and ultra-clean wiping feature. It has a durable aluminum construction that doesn't warp, crease, or bubble after years of use. The set also includes 2 magnets and a dry erase marker. Suitable for almost branded dry erase markers for office and home and university and dormitory, smooth scratch-resistant premium surfaces, ultra-clean wipe-off, 5 years guarantee under normal usage. Suggest porcelain enamel magnetic whiteboard for heavy usage. Please tear off the protective film before you start writing. This item includes installation kit, round nylon corners, includes a detachable aluminum marker tray, and offers landscape and portrait mounting. Number 3. Best with Magnets, U-Brand's Contempo Magnetic Dry Erase Board. Durable and high quality, this dry erase board includes premium magnets, doesn't stain, and erases easily. You can use this board as a bulletin board. The package includes a dry erase marker, featuring a magnetic cap with an inbuilt felt eraser, and a contour marker cap shape, preventing markers from rolling off. The frame design is slim and stylish to fit with the room's interiors. Plastic, white frame blends in with your decor. Dry erase surface is smooth, resists marker stains, and is easy to clean. Size is ideal for smaller spaces like tight kitchens, cubicles, offices, cafes, and more. This item is customizable with snap-in frame accessories. Hassle-free mounting. Rounded corners and minimal cleaning care. Number 4. Best Slim Design. Whiteboard Magnetic Dry Erase Board. The dry erase board has a smooth writing surface and can be wiped easily. It doesn't leave any bubbles, creases, or warps behind after years of use. The frame is made of scratch-free silver aluminum with ABS plastic corners free of pointed or sharp edges. This package includes 1 dry eraser, 1 detachable pen tray, 4 markers, 4 magnets, and some screws and hooks. Whiteboard can be mounted easily in either portrait, fixed by 4 screws, or landscape, hung by 4 fixing screws, or by 2 hooks orientation. Even a novice can do it in a jiffy. It comes with 1 dry eraser, 1 detachable pen tray, 4 markers, and 4 magnets, random color from black, blue, red, and yellow. This item is slim design. Sturdy. Includes a 3-year guarantee and easy installation. Number 5. Best for Kids. Mr. Pen Dry Erase Board. This package includes 14x11 dry erase board with a black dry erase marker. Easy mounting system, no drill required on even clean surfaces. Premium magnetic steel dry erase surface. This white frame dry erase board provides a compact, easy-to-use writing surface for planning, scheduling, drawing, and more. The one-sided dry erase board is an environmentally and friendly way to learn, as you just write, wipe off, and reuse with no waste. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.